I'm Dr. Charles Jones, and I live in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. My spine started to give me problems in my late teen years. I had a severe motorcycle accident, and that started the degenerative process. Because of that accident, I thought I'd go into some type of healthcare system that would help me understand back problems. So I became a chiropractor. Because of that, I've been able to control a lot of my back issues throughout my lifetime. I'm 50 years old now, and it's gotten to the stage where I needed a little bit more help than what I could give myself. So at this point, I decided I needed to go towards the best type of healthcare for back pain that I have, and that's the surgery that I have just taken 6 days ago. I heard through AIMIS through a colleague of mine who is a neurosurgeon that I've known for several years, and I knew this particular surgeon from London, and he said, instead of going all the way back to the United States, why don't you look and check out the people in Nicosia. And I thought, well, that'd be a lot easier on me than flying so far. This is one of the most fantastic opportunities that this region has had in my career. When you're looking for people with state-of-the-art technology that are leading the world in what they do, and have them on your front doorstep, it's just fantastic. And it really made my choice very simple to pick this particular area to have it done here in Cyprus. What's fantastic here is that you have a brand new state-of-the-art hospital, and by bringing in the same surgeons that do your surgery in the United States, you actually have better facilities than what I've seen in the States. I had absolutely no issues with sending my patients here as well as coming here myself. The quality of care that you get is matched second to none anywhere in the world. They've done an excellent job in preparing the patient to know what to expect prior to surgery, during your surgery, and your post-op care. You really feel like they care about you. And the actual quality that they've put into this and the amount of forethought that they've done, I've never seen this anywhere else in the world. My wife and I came actually a few days early so we could get settled in, have a little bit of relaxation time prior to the surgery. Once the surgery was performed, the amount of care that I received while in the hospital, it was actually better than the actual care that I've had in the past in the States. Afterwards, I've done my post-op care at the hotel here, and it's a 5-star hotel that is at the same level, if not better, that you would find anywhere in the States. It's been very relaxing, very easy, and very, very comfortable. I had a 3-level XLIF, and what you want to try to do, especially as a medical care practitioner, is you know that the more natural you can keep your body, the more parts you can keep yourself, the better you're going to perform after the surgery. I waited until this type of procedure had been performed to such a degree that it's not as much of a destructive force to the body because of the way they go into the body to do the surgery. You don't damage the soft tissues. You don't damage the ligaments and tendons to such a degree, so your rehabilitation is much shorter. I myself have always been an athlete, so I've played a lot of sports, and I want to continue to play a lot of sports, and so it was very important that I'm able to do so in the near future. So one of the reasons why I picked this particular procedure to do, because I know I'll be able to still perform at a high level physically and still even be able to perform my job, because as a chiropractor, you're constantly lifting patients, pulling on patients in an actual position that's very hard on the lower back. So I have to be able to perform just for my livelihood. So I had to be very particular in the actual procedure that I chose, and that way I can continue on to live the lifestyle that I wish to. Cyprus is a wonderful island. If you ever read the Bible, it's obviously in the Bible, and the amount of history that is here is incredible. You can't beat the weather. You got the great Mediterranean weather. The food is excellent. You're really looking at a nice, beautiful place to come to. The coastline reminds me a lot of Southern California from where I'm from. I really feel at home here. What AIMIS is trying to do and what they've actually achieved has been remarkable. And I'm going to continue to send my patients here that need surgery. I wouldn't have a second thought of having another surgery, God forbid if I ever need one, which I don't believe I will. But if you have any worries, the doctors here are second to none. The nursing staff are fantastic. The people of Cyprus are so friendly. It is one of the better choices I can think of anywhere in the world to have your procedure done here.